Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today we are going to explore Calinat Dam, Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. It was located 2.5 km away from my village, which is 5 minutes bike ride. I like to thank God for the new bike I buy last month. It is a Honda Click. Now I can explore the local attraction whenever I want, which is very convenient. Look at my beautiful village. I'm really proud of that. In this gravel road, you cannot go very fast because some places very hard to balance and very slippery. Especially this place very slippery. I'm really glad to settle down this kind of gorgeous small village rather than a big city. Here no traffic, life is very slow, kind people, fantastic mountain view scenery and more peaceful. Look at my left side. The tree line looks so beautiful. This is the first time in my drone I using my active track to follow me around. The drone did a very good job. I'm trying lot of my new things for my Moto blog. So here I'm making lot of trial and error to learn a new things. But it turns out the drone footage looks very beautiful. At the same time, I can tell the story very nicely. So you guys get ready. There is a lot of motor blog coming around. So we are going to explore the local area together. When I want to recharge and clear my mind, I go for a small walk or small drive like this. This kind of nature view and the beautiful scenery automatically restore my mind, because peace of mind and simple life is very important. We are almost getting close to the dam. It looks very beautiful from the top view. This local attraction very good for sunset and sunrise view. I highly recommend this place. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my channel would be awesome. This is a harvest season. Looks so beautiful from the top view. I'm really excited to show you guys the dam. I try to go over there. Let's see how it goes. It is going to be slippery slope. Let's see how it goes. Look up there. I'm going to fly my drone over there. It's very funny. Whoa. Looks like. Ugh. You need to be careful. You need to be very careful. Mind-boggling. I'll reach over here. Look at the 360. Oh yeah.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Here I met some local boys. They are setting trap for the fish and crab. After setting up the trap, they go for swimming. They will come back after 1 or 2 hours. After some time, when they check the trap, they got some fish and crab. They're really very talented local boys. The survival skill is excellent. I don't have that kind of skill. They're getting prepared for the lunch. They have a crab and fish for the lunch.
Ano ko nga ito ba? Tugay ko nga ulit to.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.